Understanding high caliber in English. Hello, everyone. Today, we're going to explore the meaning and use of the phrase high caliber in English. This phrase is often used in various contexts, and understanding it can really enhance your English language skills. Let's dive in. High caliber is a phrase that originally comes from the world of firearms, where caliber refers to the diameter of the gun barrel and, by extension, the size of the bullet that can be fired from it. However, when we say something or someone is high caliber in everyday English, we mean that it or they are of very high quality or standard. It's a compliment suggesting excellence and superior ability. To help you understand better, let's look at some examples. In a professional setting, the company is known for hiring high-caliber employees, which is why they consistently outperform their competitors. In academics, she is a high-caliber student, always at the top of her class. In general use, this is a high-caliber performance, truly remarkable and memorable. Understanding synonyms can deepen your understanding of high caliber. Some synonyms include outstanding, superior, first-rate, exceptional. Using these synonyms in different contexts can convey the same meaning as high caliber. Thank you for watching. Remember, high caliber is all about quality and excellence. Whether you're talking about work, studies, or general performance, using this phrase correctly can really showcase your English language proficiency. Hope this was helpful, and see you in our next video.